Gonna go outside, Wally? Moose is gonna go outside while we feed the worms. Okay, bye, Moose. Okay, bye, Wally. Alright, friends, we're gonna let our puppies stay out here, get some sun while we work on our worms. So it's technically only been a few days since we were last in here with the worms from our baiting that we put in here. And last feeding we specifically fed them around like the 6 o'clock marker, treating this like a clock, and we're kind of going counterclockwise. So unless there's anything crazy, I plan on feeding them pretty much straight down around like the 5-6 o'clock area. We just have some hummus with like, I don't know, random things. There's a little bit more savory elements in here from what I can tell. So we'll see what we put it in. But I think there's enough worms in here that we need to start feeding them, even though we've been putting more worms in with some food in there. So, oh, hold on. Hello, Wally. Well, it's not done. Okay. So I had been using the stand tripod, for some of my recording recently, but it's kind of hard for you guys to get in and see, in my opinion, with the close-up, just because of the angles. So let me know. Today I'm using my handheld, so if you guys have noticed any differences or anything, let me know. I think it's probably a little bit more shaky with me holding it, but we can get in even closer. So here is the area that we had put the worms the other day. Oh, hello, worms. So there's definitely worms in here. I don't see any of the food because I know there was definitely some food that we brought them over with. So hopefully they're getting hungry. And so this is a spot over here. Ooh, it's kind of hard to tell. Let's see if we can zoom in here. There we go. So this is like around the 5 o'clock area. It's never been fed here before. So I'm hoping we can put some food down and they will kind of keep waking their way over here. So let me just go pop that open real quick. So this one I just made actually the other day. So we have about some Brussels sprouts in there, a little rough looking. So we put some of the ones that were no bueno in there and some bananas. So it's probably the most savory feeding that they've had so far in here. And I know Brussels sprouts would normally take a little bit longer, but I'm hoping because there's a lot of babies in here and hopefully they're hungry and they'll eat. So here's hoping that remains true. Covered it up lightly. A little covering. Oh, I forgot to check the temperature. Okay, it's about 90 still, just under 90. So yeah, I'm really liking how easy it is to take care of the urban worm bag so far. We'll see if that continues, but I'm liking that I don't have to. If you just had the regular hot frog with the 2 layers, it probably wouldn't be as big of a thing. But trying to mentally, and even just with my notebook, write down all the different tiers in my hot frog and which one's doing what, it's just a lot harder. Not harder, but mentally taxing. So I'm really hoping that once this gets moving and grooving, this is just kind of like a dump and go thing. But that's the dream. So for now, we're done with the urban worm bag, and we got Wally over here sunbathing. Hey, Wally. I love sunbathing. And then we got Moose over here eating something. Oh, he's ripping up the old sunflower stock that I had over there. Yep, Moose stays in the shade because it's hot for him. And that concludes our really quick urban worm bag. Right, Moose? Yeah, we're all done. All right, friends, thanks for hanging out for this quick check-in. And yeah, the urban worm bag is really easy, so there's not a whole lot to say about it. But if you guys have any questions, I'm happy to try and answer. Have a good day.